Okay, here is a short tutorial on how to use the place value table to read and write decimals, okay? So the first thing you have to do, okay, for example, is to write the number itself, the decimal itself, in the place value table, okay? So most of you would probably read this as 35.123. In some cases, you can do that. But since our lesson is on place value, you have to read it using the place value of the number. Okay? So step one would be to actually write the number on the place value table. So the decimal point, okay, is this one. So you know that these two digits, okay, need to be before the decimal point, and the next three digits need to be after the decimal point. So let's write it. Okay, so now we have written it. Let's read it. Okay, so this one, read it like a whole number because it is a whole number. So we can read this as 35. Okay, so let's write that down. 35. Okay, now how do we read the decimal point? We don't say point. If you look over here, it says read or written as the word and. Okay, so the decimal point will be written as and. Okay, and then let's look at the decimals. Okay, so the decimal, just read it like a regular whole number. So if this was a regular whole number, okay, we read it as 123. The difference is we take the place value of the last digit. So we would read this as 123 thousandths. Okay, so let's write that down. And 123 thousandths. Okay, that's how to write this in word form. Now let's go to the opposite. Okay, so we have something written in word form. We have something written in word form. How do we put this now on the place value table? So let's look for where the decimal point is. As we said, it is read or written as and. So over here, we can see the and is there. So that means 1,500 is before the decimal point, okay, which would be over here. And then 12,000 is after the decimal point, which would be over here, okay? So let's write it down. 1,500. So 1,000 is over here. So 1,500 would be there, okay? So 1,500 is written like that. The decimal point is and then 12,000. How do we write the number 12? Easy. That's 12. But, okay, the place value is thousands. So that means this digit of the number 12, the 2, needs to be in the thousandths place. Okay, because that's the place value, thousand. So it needs to be here. So let's write down the 2. Okay, now there is a gap. What do we do with the gap? We insert a 0. And there you have it. Now you have written, okay, 1,500 and 12 thousandths. Okay, so this one is that. Okay, so hope this helps you answer your activity sheet. Okay, bye bye.